Hey guys, this is Maria from resize.com, and in this video I'll show you how to make the Vogue challenge for TikTok. The Vogue challenge recently has become the trending challenge among TikTok users. People are editing pictures of themselves with the Vogue logo on them to replicate Vogue magazine cover. Follow these steps and you will find out how you can do it. Firstly, go to Google Play Store and download the PixArt app. Once it will be installed into your phone, go and open it. Press on the plus icon at the bottom of your screen to start editing your photo. Choose the picture you would like to use as the image for your Vogue cover. Hit the sticker icon at the bottom. After that, type in the Vogue phrase in the search bar. Select the one you like and add it to your photo. You can resize and move the sticker as you want in order to make it look like a Vogue cover. Once you're happy with your created image, save it to your gallery. Now go to TikTok As you know, TikTok doesn't let you upload one image. You need to upload it together with a video or at least add 2 pictures. So click on the plus icon at the bottom and tap the gallery icon. Upload your visuals. Now you can add music, apply filters. Once your TikTok post is ready, hit the next button and publish it. That's it! I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to make the Vogue challenge for TikTok. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at resize.com.